Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video, I'm gonna show you how to make Ulli vada. So in English, I don't know what to say, but in my language, it's called Ulli vada. And today, I'm gonna make this one with egg for better taste. So let me show you guys. So guys, what are the things you need to prepare this? Let me show you. So you need wheat flour, 2 egg, and curry leaves, ginger, 2 chilies, just 1 onion. It's simple, guys. So guys, first we need to boil this egg. Okay. Guys, it's ready now, so we're gonna take it out and then we're gonna try this. So guys, it's ready and I think it's really amazing. So this is the shape, And, in our language, we say it's Ulli vada. It's ready and let me taste this. Guys, I'm not boasting myself, it's really tasty. You should try this. I know guys, especially from Kannur, they love this because it's with egg. It's not only just onion, it's with egg. So this is something different. So when you should try this and let me know your comment. Thank you so much, guys. So guys, I hope you like this video. You know, this is really one of my favorite snacks from Kerala. So I hope you like it. Please share, subscribe, comment, do everything. Don't forget to press the bell icon. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, guys. Have a nice day.